Hi, so in this video, I'll show you how to use the Slice Procedural Mesh function to create a tree cutting system. You can use it to create any slicing system as you like. This is just the most basic stuff. First, we need to create a tree actor for us to chop down. We will create a blueprint with the actor class. In this actor, we will add the procedural mesh and set it as root. Uncheck the checkbox for Use Complex as Simple Collision. You can add mass to the actor and leave everything as it is. We're not adding the Simulate Physics because we want the tree to stand still for now. Next, we add the static mesh into the actor. We can only create the procedural mesh from scratch or copy the shape from a static mesh. To copy the static mesh into the procedural mesh, we need to get into the construction script and call the function copy procedural mesh from static mesh component and connect the meshes into the correct input. The collision checkbox is not important right now. After that, we can destroy the static mesh by calling the destroy component function. In order to slice the mesh, get to the event graph, and we will use the event begin play for testing. I added the delay here so that it will not happen right away when we press play. We will call the function Slice Procedural Mesh. In this function, there are a few things to note. Firstly, the plan position. This is the point where we will cut the tree. We want to cut it somewhere in the middle, so we will use the current location of the tree and increase the z-coordinate. Secondly, the plan normal. This is a plan that will be used to cut the tree. A plane's normal is a vector that is perfectly perpendicular or at a 90-degree angle to the plane's surface. So, if you want to cut an object from side to side, we need a plan that is parallel to the ground. The vector then will be 0, 0, 1. Now we will calculate the plan position by increasing the z-coordinate. Tick the checkbox to create the bottom half of the tree. Connect the procedural mesh as input. The cap section can be created using the last section. Now we can see how the tree is sliced with different plans. Next, we need to enable Simulate Physics for the remaining upper tree so that it can fall. To make it fall, we can use the function Add Impulse to push it in a certain direction. As we can see, the tree is cut in half and pushed away for a little bit. With some more tweaking, we can have something like this. With the basic knowledge and a little creativity, we can create a lot of systems with this slicing mechanic. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment.